Hello, and welcome back to MarginCall. We are playing as Toad Corporation. This will be the second episode so far of the series, and this is due to go out tomorrow on the 23rd, which will be Sunday. And after that point, I'll be doing hopefully 2 episodes per week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, as Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are already taken up with Rule the Waves 3. So in the last episode, we managed to make a little bit of money. We almost doubled what we had. Look at that. Earnings, 92,000. Not too shabby. We have no positions at the moment. And we're going to check the news. If I recall, there's not a lot going on right now. This GRVX did rise above 2810, which I think was that might have been what we made our money on. But for now, we're just going to let the game run a little bit, let the simulation go. We're waiting on some interesting news to pop up about some stocks out there. See if any of these companies are up to anything. We're currently looking at Wuhan Retail Group. And I did learn that you can hover your mouse over the ticker here, and you can scroll up and down, so you don't have to go and look for a particular thingamabobber. You can just zoom around. And this is actually a really, really, really handy thing to know. Thank you to Mr. Goon, who is one of the developers from the Discord, for teaching me this. So this way we can search around for things like this that are trading below market value. This is almost a dollar below the market perceived value, and it's dropping. And this is Baoshan Materials. Sounds Chinese. It's probably a Chinese company. It is. What do they produce? They do electricity. They make electricity. We can go into analysis of the company here. So it's currently rated at 0.0. So it's considered oversold. I don't know exactly what that means, but I was hoping to look at the financials a bit here, see if I can make some heads or tails of them. Let's see. Net income, they are making money. So they're a profitable company, and it's consistently profitable. It's 17.7 every day. Of course, that's probably not going to change much unless you go into like longer term simulations here. It's trading down on the day. It's got a A- credit rating. Now I'm just trying to figure out whether it's worth keeping an eye on this company or not. I'm thinking it might be worth it to just watch it for a few hours perhaps, or see if it starts to rebound towards its perceived value or not, because currently it's falling. So let's go for another candle. Okay, it starts to recover. It's not doing much now. Is it going to recover? That's the question. So it's currently at 100.176. I think we could perhaps buy some of those. Of course, it would cost us 101.6 to buy. I wonder why it costs 101.6 to buy. I'm curious about that. If the mark for it is 100.76, so this is 101.24. You know what? Let's go ahead and see how many we could purchase. We could purchase 3,700, or if we turn off the leverage, we could purchase 1,800. So let's buy 500 shares of this. Hit the buy button. And we're buying it at 101.6. I feel like it has room to bounce back. I really do. So let's place the deal. And let's see how badly I get clobbered here, because everything I decide to buy drops. That went up a little bit there. Down, up. Still down again. Way down. Back up. Down. Down. And we get clobbered. Like I said, anything I choose to buy, we get smashed on. Although it is recovering a little bit here. Looks like people are buying. I think I learned that this bottom graph down here is buying and selling and all that. So that's actually a good thing. There's a little bit of sell-off. There's a little bit of shorting. I think that's shorting. It's recovering. This is kind of an important stock for us. I'm monitoring it. At this point, if I can get close to its original value, I think I'll just be happy to take a small loss on it. Unless it does this, actually. It's on a rebound. Okay. It all just seems so completely random. That's the problem. That is the problem I'm having here. It's like it just goes. There's no there's no rhyme or reason to this, as far as I can tell. Like, I wish there were like trends, because this is just, it's literally just like 50-50. Does it go up? Does it go down? Yeah, I don't know. I guess if it just gets close to its Oxford Pharma, we could trade that. It's above its market value. People just bought into it. There it goes. It's going up, back down. So that's what I'm saying. It's like it's close to like a big announcement, like a big breakthrough, and people are shorting it. Like, they're expecting it to go down. I don't like, it doesn't make sense. Like, typically news like that in the real world, a stock would go up. Anyhow, let's go back to whatever our stock here was. This thing here. Oh, we're doing a little bit better, but we can at least add it to the workspace there so we have access to it now. Okay, it seems to be going back up again. I had a big up there, big recovery. And it goes right back down. As soon as it's like Schrodinger's portfolio. It's like if you observe, or was that experiment where if you observe something, you change what it does. It's just so strange that it really doesn't make sense. Like, I don't know. There's like nothing that should be affecting it like this drastically to just keep going down. It still says it's below its perceived value. Well, there's Shipbuilders of Japan just went public. So let's take a look at them. We'll go here to news. There we go. Oh, this is a new button. I haven't seen this before. Well, either way, we're going to go to Shipbuilders of Japan Holding. This is a new company. So we're going to leverage ourselves on this one. We're going to go leverage times 5 because we have some of our money is tied up in this Bowel stock. Balshan materials. So we're going to leverage. We're going to see how many stocks we can buy. We've got 71,000. That's a lot. It's 691,000. If something goes wrong here, then we are just done. Like we've over leveraged. Net leverage is borrowing money to buy stocks from a broker. So we're going to go ahead, and it's a large order. We're going to buy it. And we're going to hope that it goes up. So it's only $9.63 per share. And it's at 500. We're at plus 500 now. It went up by 2 cents. It looks like. Or it's up by 1 cent. It's up. Yeah, we bought for $9.63. We could sell for $9.62. Okay, we're down. Back up. Way down, but it recovers. People are buying in. You can see where people are buying in now, I think. So that should raise the value. And we're going to sell off. Hang on. I thought we had I thought there was a button on here. I was told there was a button on here. You could sell. You could sell from this screen here. Close it out. Am I missing it? Is it on here somewhere? I don't see it. Close position. I can just right click on it, I guess. We lost $40 on that, but that's okay, I suppose. But we're going to go back to Shipbuilders Japan Holding. We're going to hope that it goes up to the stars, to the moon. This isn't doing much for us here. So we're going to go to another new company. Right here. Fugel. There it is. We're going to see when we can purchase. We purchase 0 because we're leveraged. That's unfortunate. Now the question is, do we sell out of this and go for the new company that might perform better? I think we do. I think we do. So we bought. Again, I don't know how to just. Well, I guess we could just do this, and then we can close our position. We lost $2,500 on that, but we're gonna purchase max shares. That's 20,000 at 5x leverage. Let's just go for an even 20,000, I guess. We still have 186,000 in our basically our wallet here. So that's the most we can afford to lose on this. So we're going to hope that this skyrockets. People will hopefully start buying into it. Did I not buy anything? I thought I bought some of this. It's not doing anything. Maximum, I can buy 593 of these. Hang on. There it is. Okay, we start off down immediately. Yeah, new companies don't grow anymore. I don't know if they've changed something in the background of the game, but well, there it goes. There it goes. A little bit. A little bit of money. Goes back down. These new companies, these new spin-offs, they're not as great as they used to be, where people would like get excited and invest in them. Like, there's really not a good way to just. There's another new company, but we're gonna stick with this one this time, I think. It says it's trading below the market value, but again, it's so random, like whether it will go up or down or not. There's like no discernible reason why it goes up and no discernible reason why it goes down. It's going up now, but why? Because it's a new company. That used to be the reason why, but then it just goes down again. It's like, why? It's a new company. It used to almost always go up as people got excited and got in. Well, that's 10,000. That's not much on our overall investment. Well, do we get out with 11,000? 12,000? There's 11.8. We're back down to like nothing. We've gained nothing. I don't know. Yeah, none of this makes sense anymore. Just let it go, I guess. I don't care if I lose money anymore. It's not as fun as it was, where it was like you could actually make a little bit of money on these new companies. You can make money on like just, oh, there it goes. Why? Why is it doing this? It doesn't make any sense. Like there's no one bought anything. Like there's not like a big jump in purchases. We'll get out of it, I guess. Close position. We gained 12.4, but let's watch it for a minute. And look, it's just going right back down again. Like it doesn't make any sense. I don't understand. Like it just seems entirely random if a stock will go up or down for the hour. Look, it goes up, 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 down, down, down. See, right here, you would think with a stock jumping up to 46.8, whatever it is, it's only slightly above the market's perceived value. You would think that people would see this jump, they would get excited, and they would jump into it. Like they would start investing into it. But for this hour, look, it stayed basically level for the next hour. And then people started dumping out of it. And look, it does it again. It jumps up. You expect people to get excited and jump in because it's recovering from the dips. Stays even, and people get out. Then it goes down, it stays even, and people get out. Stays pretty much even, people get out. It's almost even, people get out. I don't really understand what's going on with this anymore. I've been trying to watch like videos and stuff about how these candles work, like the patterns and stuff that you'll see. You'll see like the W pattern, you'll see like certain other patterns and stuff, but I don't think it applies to this game. I honestly think it's just like an RNG where it's like it looks at the latest 1 minute or whatever. What if we zoom out? This 1 minute's a really poor thing to look at here. 15 minutes maybe. Let's like look at this 15 minutes. In each minute, it's just like it just seems like it's RNG where it's like 50-50, well, 40-40, it goes up or down, and like the another 20, like it just stays still. Yeah, I don't understand the patterns because it's not enough money. Like these little tiny ups and downs, it's not enough of a change to try to bet on. Like for example, if we had bet right here on this particular stock. It's 45.47, which is a decent amount of money. It's not a cheap stock. It would be even for almost an hour, 45 minutes there. And then it goes up by like 15 cents. So if we would have invested 10,000 into this, that puts us at 457,000 worth of risk. And then it goes up 15 cents. You're getting like $150 on a $457,000 risk. Like there's not enough of a change in this game to make investments, like to make trades worthwhile. Like even I don't know, it has to be a major change to make any kind of money at all. Like in this game, you rarely see like in a real stock. Like let's just say, for example, U.S. stocks today. We go here to CNN. And we look at like this cheap little stock here, like Mara Holdings Incorporated, and it went up by 11 cents, which isn't all that much, but it's only an $11.26 stock. Like it's only $11.26 to buy in. It's like almost a 1% change. Like this one here went up 85%. Gainers, like these numbers where they're going up 355%, 85%, 56%, all this stuff. Even the ones that are going down, 58%, 42%, and these are like really tiny little stocks as well. Like there are big swings in the market in like real life, but like if we check our screener or scanner, the changes in this game, they're minuscule. Like they're nothing. Like they're not worth. It makes it hard to like do like it's not worth putting money into these because like you're gaining like less than 1% on like a a risk of like hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that should like I don't know, it feels like it should be kind of built in where it's like there should be big losers and big winners. Like these are all just like I said, it just seems 50-50 because like look, the biggest uptick is 137 and the lowest downtick is 118. Like that's nothing. Like that's basically nothing. And there's tons of volume moving. Like there's a lot going on. I don't know. I just don't know. I feel like like it doesn't make sense to me anymore. Like I kind of thought I was learning a little bit. Because I made another account to mess around with, like not another account. I made another save file to mess around with a little bit when I'm not doing the YouTube thing. And it's like, yeah, I gained like 500,000 within like a month or so of just trading on the news that pops up. But the news doesn't really seem to affect it. Doesn't seem to affect the game like it used to. Like nothing. Like I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to say anymore. This is kind of taking the wind out of my sails because like it feels like maybe something has been patched where not a lot happens anymore when a new company comes out. Not a lot happens off the news. Like there's really not. Look, so we had a new day, and again, it's just there's small changes. That's the biggest change we've seen is 2.36, and that's nothing compared to the real market, like in the real world. So this is a new company. We're gonna see if yet another company fails us with a new thingamabobber here. So we're going to check the news. We're going to see what the name of the spinoff is. Geno. So we're going to go to Geno. Actually, kind of faster to just do this at this point. Okay, GenHealth Biosciences Systems. Immediately goes up, which is cool. Someone bought 290,000 shares. So we're gonna max. Let's go crazy. Let's go with 10 times leverage. Buy 125,000 shares. Putting everything on the line. It's a large order. We're confirming it. Now, does it do what it's always done, where it just immediately drops? No, not this time. Oh, there it goes. So what's the difference between this one? Desk trader, what does that mean? Oh, I leveled up. Okay. I wish I could get rid of these. I wish I could just right click on those and get rid of them. So look, we're actually up 146,000 now. But what makes this new company more profitable and people get more excited about it than the other spin-off companies? Like, I don't get it. It's up 20 cents, 20% since we bought in. Does it show up? Here it is. Look, it's 23%. I don't get it. Like, I don't understand anymore how any of this works. Well, we're actually gonna crack $1 million on this, maybe. Okay, now we're slowing down, but you know, I feel like it says it's below the market average or market value. I don't know. I feel like I should prevail upon the devs a little bit to like add more fluctuation to the markets. But they're so busy right now. Like, they are just being pounded with all sorts of requests from Steam and from Discord. It feels like you're just piling too much onto their plates. Like, everything's leveled off. So let's get out of this. Close it. And we closed out 1.29 million. That gives us 1.49 equity. 1.49 million. So that's million and a half. Million and a half. Look at that. We're rich. Okay. We're a millionaire trader. Hold 3 or more different companies. This is the thing. Like, I'm a little bit afraid of, is because like I do want to like invest in companies, but at the same time, it's like the markets just don't move that much, and I'd have to spread out my money. So for example, if I turn my leverage down to 1 here, it gives me 1.5 million to invest with. So I could rebuy into this company here, this new company. I could buy like 20,000 stocks. Oops, that's 200,000. We could buy at $25.99. I feel like there's still room to grow. So we'll buy. Now, how much is it going to move? Because we can go to other companies, like this one here, and you don't know if it's going to go up or down, because there's no like rhyme or reason to any of this. There's no like steady up, then it drops, and it drops, and then up. It's up, down, and that's what they're doing all day long, just up, down. And I don't know if real stocks look like that or not. Let's take a look. Let's like do U.S. stocks today. We'll go look at today's hot stocks, which is Moderna. Yeah, okay. This is what I'm talking about. This is Moderna. It's moved 8.86% today. You can see where it goes up, then it drops. Up, because it's growing, right? Up, down, up. down, up, peaks, and then it starts to drop. Now it's dropping, it's showing a trend, like it's showing what it's doing. So it goes up a little bit, but it starts dropping, it goes up a little bit, and it goes trending down, 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 goes back up, and then it drops. Now it starts to rebound, up, mostly up, mostly up, mostly up, and then it craters a little bit, then it goes back up and closes up 11% or whatever it is. Whereas with the stock that we're looking at, it's just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There's no like steady. There should be like a graph option here. Yeah, like you see, there's no. Let's go to another one. This one's actually a little bit better. This one's a little bit better, but it's still got these like big, just random drops. Like it just, like I said, it just seems entirely RNG whether it's going to go up or down. This one here is dropping. Actually, this is kind of consistent dropping. This one here is okay. This is fine. This one here is drop, and then again, it's just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. There's no mountains and valleys. It's just like, it's just teeth. It's just like sharp fangs. This one's trading below market value, and it's cratered over here at the end. So is it going to recover? Now portfolio manager. There it goes. Starts to recover. So you'd expect it to start to recover here. So let's buy 2,500 of these shares. Place a deal. Let's look for one more, just so we can get the achievement. This one's dropped. Hokkaido Foods. There's a big, I guess this is a big purchase, right? Volume? Oh, this is volume. I think this is volume. So it just moved. So this might go back up. So like, if this big of a volume purchase, you would expect the price to shoot up because the supply is lower now. So we're at max. We can go with like 2,000 stocks, and we'll place the deal. And that gets us our diversified achievement. And now if we go to our portfolio here, and we watch, so this is the new company that just opened up. Add it to the workspace. Portfolio. We will add that to workspace, add that to workspace. Nice, we have a lot more functionality with all the right clicking and stuff on here. So this one is going up. This one's up a little bit. I was really just trying to buy 3 companies just for the achievements. So this is the one with the huge volume movement. So you'd expect, because people are buying, they're buying, right? This is what these green lines represent. They're buying. The price on this should be skyrocketing. Not skyrocketing, but climbing. Look, people are buying. Price is coming down. Like, it doesn't make sense. Here's another new company. Okay. Let's go into our portfolio here. We're going to close out on Hokkaido Food. We're going to close out on these other losers. We're going to check the news. Here's BAOO. And we need to wait like 1 tick for our money to go back into our account. And we can purchase with 5 times the leverage. 147,000. We're going to buy 145,000 shares of this stock at 7.3 million risk. Place the deal. We pray that it goes up. Okay. Nope. Nope. Yep. Yes, no. Why? Like, why? Why? Like, what is the difference between this and the other one? I mean, the problem is, like, you're tempted here to get out at 44,000, but we're risking like almost 7.4 million. Like, it's such a small gain for so much risk. It's going to hold steady and drop. You know what? If it gets near like 30,000, there we go. Let's just close it out. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I've lost my touch here, or what little I thought I knew about it. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna save the game. This is my other save that I made. I just called it number one, but I'm at 688,000. But that was before. That was like from yesterday or something. I feel like something has been patched here. Something's different. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting unlucky. I don't know. I'm just complaining, I suppose. But like, I don't know. But yeah, to tell you the truth, I've made all my money in this game that I've ever made, basically off of new companies when they launch. Because trying to invest in a stock, like an actual stock, it's so entirely random that I don't understand it. I don't get it. Like I can't make money off of regular stocks. Like they're too random as to what happens from 1 minute to the next. Like you almost never see like this right here, where you see four going up at the same time. Like you almost never see that on here. You see a lot of reds doing that. Like look, this is what I'm talking about. Literally, this is like a Christmas. This is like a candy cane. It's like green, red, 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 green, red, 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 green. Yeah, it doesn't seem to correlate. Like I try to get it to correlate with like the movement or the volume being created down here. None of it seems to correlate, so I don't know. I'm a little bit lost. Anyhow, I appreciate you so much for being here. I'm gonna call it here. We're almost 40 minutes in. That's a long video, and see you next time.